Hello everyone, welcome to another one of Roy's computer tips and tricks. Today I wanted to talk about Internet Explorer. A lot of us don't use it anymore, but for some businesses and business applications it is still used today. But there's going to be some changes this year that I wanted to talk about and also help those that may need to figure this out once those changes go into place. So Microsoft is ending their support for Internet Explorer and excuse me, it's actually going to be next year. It's going to be June 15th, 2022. Customers are encouraged to move to Microsoft Edge with IE or Internet Explorer mode. Internet Explorer mode enables backwards compatibility and will be supported through at least 2029. Additionally, Microsoft will provide notice 1 year prior to retiring IE mode. So how do we enable my IE mode and how do we use it? So a couple things. You're going to want to go into Edge, and if you're looking for it through the Start menu here, you're going to want to go to Microsoft Edge, it's M, or you could do Search and Edge. And you're going to need to actually make sure that the modes are enabled. So you're going to go over here, you're going to go to Settings, and it's over here in Default Browser. Okay, so in Default Browser, couple things. Um, Chances are yours is set to never, but I think with a recent update they changed this to be incompatible sites only. So what this does is when you're trying to use Internet Explorer and a newer site comes up or a site that is incompatible, it may say, hey, can we jump this over to Edge? And you're going to say yes, and then it'll load up Edge and it will pull it up and run it. Or you could say always. If you switch this to always, anytime you try going to a website in Internet Explorer, it will automatically go to Edge, which I'm going to show you right here. I'm just going to find it. So if we go to Internet Explorer, see we tried going somewhere and it just took us right back into Edge because that was my home page. So you might want to set that. You could set that to always. Just make sure you're always going to Edge, or you could set it to that one, which is the recommended if it's incompatible. The other thing you could do is allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, which running in Internet Explorer mode is, as we just read, the fix from Microsoft or the workaround while we don't have support for Internet Explorer anymore. So Internet Explorer is not going to be uninstalled from your computer. It's not going to go away. They're just going to stop supporting it. So it's no longer going to be updated. Chances are you could, higher chances of getting viruses, that sort of thing. So I strongly recommend that you use Edge in Internet Explorer mode opposed to using the actual Internet Explorer if you have a site that needs to. Alternately, and if you don't see this option available, chances are someone within your organization or your 365 administrator has disabled that. So if we turn that on, it is going to require a restart of the browser. Restart the browser. There we go. Now let's go to a web page. And then how do you run Internet Explorer mode? So the way you do that is you come down here, you go to More Tools, and you see there is an option, and there should be an option right there. Reload in Internet Explorer mode, and this only appears once that is enabled in the settings. So reload in Internet Explorer mode. Now we're viewing this in Internet Explorer mode, and you can see you've entered Internet Explorer mode. Most pages work better in Edge, and you can have the option to leave it there. So if you have a page that you're trying to load in Internet Explorer and it's not loading right, you can turn on Internet Explorer mode that way. Anyways, that is Internet Explorer mode. That is what is happening with Internet Explorer. Couple more articles that I could show you. Oops, wrong page there. Here we go. So this is the timeline. It's when they first announced it. Microsoft Teams is stopping. The Edge, Legacy, end of life. Several different things that are going to happen. I'll provide these links in the description of the video. Also, in order to do this, you need to have Windows 10 1903 with this update installed, KB4501375 or later, or at least Windows 10 1909 or later in order for those options to appear. If you're running the latest versions of Windows and you've kept it up to date, those will show up. If you need to know what versions can support it, that's what they are. Anyways, hope this video is helpful to you in some way and you have a beautiful day, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, and we'll see you later.